Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Kovi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an exciting video. We're going to be doing a plant unboxing with a bunch of plants that are ordered over the weekend and they arrived this morning. I was not here to receive them unfortunately, but there's nothing better than coming home from work to a box full of plants. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the box that was delivered in the morning, and it seems like quite a big box, as you guys can see. But I'm super excited to see what's inside here. The packaging, however, seems like someone has already gotten into here or taken a sneak peek. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping that all the plants that are ordered are in this box. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on opening up this box. It is quite quick delivery from this company. I mean, like, I ordered it over the weekend and they said that they send out plants on a Monday, and they sent it out on the Monday morning and gave me an invoice, and by Wednesday in the morning, so it's like within 48 hours all the plants arrived. Okay, so let's see what's inside this box. Let's take out the first plant. Let's see. That is packaged and wrapped in newspaper. It's good when they reuse all these stuff and everything is recycled. So that's a good thing. Okay, so the first plant that I received is a Philodendron Micans. This is one of my absolute favorite plants. The leaves are super velvety and really sexy. What I love about these plants is that it has like 3 colors on it. It has the deep dark green color, as well as when the new leaves are formed, it has this kind of bronze color, as well as the underside of the leaves has this red tone to it. So really cool plant. This is the Philodendron Micans. This is plant number 1. Now I can't remember how many plants I ordered exactly, but as we go along we'll see what has arrived with us. Okay, so the second one that I am taking out, oh gosh, okay, the paper is already torn. Okay, this is another Philodendron Micans that I ordered. So I ordered 2 of these here. They came in great condition. I mean, even the pots have plastic wrapped around it or cellophane tape so the soil doesn't come out of the pot. So really nice packaging. The plant looks in great condition. Really nice. This is another one. This is really cool. Okay, so let's see which is this one. Okay, let's take out this one. Okay. This is really cool. Oh, I think this. I'm just trying to get out all the newspapers so I can show you guys exactly what plant this is. And this is a really nice one as well. Okay, so plant, I'm getting soil everywhere. I'll clean that up later. This is a 19 centimeter hanging basket of the Ashkenampus Mamaratus. This is a really cool plant. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the cool patterns on it, but it's a really, really stunning plant. This plant, when I saw it in the pictures, it kind of reminded me of the patterns that you usually find on dinosaurs. So really, really cool. The mature leaves, I think, as they get more mature, they get this red color underneath it. But I think this is all new growth, so there's not much red coloration on it. So plant number 3 is Ashkenampus Mamaratus. Okay, I think I got another one of these here, if I'm not mistaken. And I can see a really cool plant in the box that I'll probably save till the end of the video to show you guys. Well, there's 2 really cool plants that's in this box. Okay, so these are packaged really well. I mean, the plants came in really great condition. Generally, with hanging baskets, I was kind of skeptical for vining plants like this. And generally, they don't come in the best of conditions, but this is really, really good. This came in excellent condition. This is another Ashkenampus Mamaratus in a hanging basket. I think this is a 19 centimeter basket. So as you can see there, look how cool those patterns are. This is really, really cool. And these generally grow quite long and they hang and they trail. I haven't kept an Ashkenampus before, but when I saw this, I said, let me just give it a try. And we'll see how it goes from there. And I'll give you guys updates on all these plants that I'm unboxing today. Okay, some of the leaves did fall off, but check this out. I don't know if you guys can see, but from the leaf, there's another plantlet that's actually growing out of there. So I'm assuming that these Ashkenampus can actually grow from plant stems. I'm not sure, but let me know in the comments below if they can grow from leaf cuttings. That'll be really cool to see. Maybe I'll just put this in some soil and see if it grows from there. Sure. We shall leave this aside. Let's see the next one. Okay. So the next plant I've been wanting for quite a long time, and they seem to have been extremely pricey towards I think last year and the beginning of this year. But I'm noticing that now these plants are coming down slightly in price. So when I saw this plant kind of going for cheaper, I said, let me just get one for myself. And since I had some experience in this species or in a similar species, I said, let me just go ahead and get it. Now, they had it on the list as Begonia maculata, but I expected the polka dots to be much bigger, so I'm not sure if it is exactly the same one. I mean, it has the red underleaves and it has this here, but I expected the polka dots to be much more bigger and bolder than this. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure if it is the exact same species as the one that I wanted, but it still looks stunning. Still looks really cool. This is like the angel wing begonia, the Begonia maculata. So this is really cool, but I'm so not sure if it is the maculata. So if you guys know, let me know in the comments below if this is a maculata or if it's another species. I'd love to know if it is or is not. But really cool, really, really cool plant. Okay, so there is another plant that looks really, really cool. I saw this on the list and I was like, what the hell is this? And when I googled it, I was like, I'm sure this is called something else, because on the list it was labeled as Epipremnum marble planet. And then when I googled it, I was like, no, this looks kind of like a different species. Okay, so this is the Epipremnum marble planet. Now this was on the list as Epipremnum marble planet, but when I googled it, I discovered that it was the Monstera sp. peru. And I was really confused whether to order this from the list or not, but I gave it a go, and then I discovered that they have multiple names, just like the Monstera deliciosa, which is known as Delicious Monster, Monstera berzigiana. So this just has different names to it. I think in our country it's known as the Epipremnum marble planet, and elsewhere it's known as the Monstera sp. peru. This is really, really cool. Look at the leaves. Just look at that. That looks really, really cool. I didn't expect these leaves to be this huge. I expected this plant to have much smaller leaves, and as you can see, it's already sending out a new shoot right there. So this is really cool. I'm really happy about this plant. So Monstera sp. peru. This next plant is a really, really cool plant. Let me leave this box down. And I thought I'd save this for last because this is a really exciting one. It's a plant that I wasn't crazy over when I first kind of saw it on the internet. It was just like a by the way plant. I know a lot of people were going really, really crazy over this plant. But I said, let me order it and see what all this hype is about. So if you guys can see already, I'm not sure if you guys can see what this plant is, but just leave that aside. Okay, so I'll show you guys first what it is and then I'll take a closer look at it. This is a big hanging basket of Philodendron pink princess. Now how cool is this? This is like half leaf variegation. This is really, really cool. Now, this is quite a big plant. I did not expect to get such a huge plant of this here. And from looking at it, I'm still 50-50 on this plant. Like the variegation, the pink on it, I didn't think that I would like the pink variegation, but it actually looks really, really stunning. And the older leaves kind of don't have much variegation, and I think it like fades out. I'm trying to look. But yeah, the variegated leaves, the pink is really, really pretty. Let's take a closer look at this, but I'm not sure if you guys can see, but look at this. This is half pink. They have one that's got majority of pink on the leaves. Even look at this. This is the type of pink variegation that I kind of like. It's like bright pink, light pink, and green on it. But really, really stunning plant. I'm kind of loving the pink variegation on it. So yeah, the last and final plant is the pink princess, and unexpectedly starting to like this plant. Not sure whether it's because I have it finally in my collection or whether I'm just liking the pink variegation. I'm not a huge fan of the color pink in general, but this is really, really nice. Okay, so before we end this video, let's just go through a quick rundown of the plants that I got and received today. So the first ones that I received was this Philodendron Micans. 2 pots of these. These are really, really cool, super cool plants. I mean, like, I have one right here that I wanted to show you guys, my first Philodendron Micans. This was a plant that I got. It was quite small and it was somewhere around here. And as you can see, it's just growing into this big, beautiful beast. But I'm also noticing that the internodes are kind of getting quite long, so I'm probably gonna chop this back and propagate it and then try and get a bushier plant, but that's a video for another day. I'll probably do a care guide on the Philodendron Micans because I've got it for maybe about 4 months or so and it's been doing absolutely amazing for me. Okay, so the other plants that I got was this plant here that was labeled as Begonia maculata, but I'm still uncertain whether it is the Begonia maculata, also known as the polka dot begonia. I assume that the polka dot begonia is supposed to have like larger white spots on them instead of this fine type of spots on it. It does have the red underside of the leaf, but the pattern on the front is just different. So if it is not the polka dot begonia, please let me know in the comments below if it is and if it is not. And if it is not, let me know what begonia this is. I'd highly appreciate it. Okay, the other plants that I got was the two of this Ashkenampus Mamaratus. This is a really, really cool plant. I'm absolutely loving this plant. The patterns on this is just insane. I like how this looks like dinosaur patterns, like dinosaur skin. And as the leaves get more mature, it kind of gets more succulent, kind of like feels similar to a Hoya of some sorts. And really, really cool plant. Really loving that. And the other one that I got is this Epipremnum marble planet. It was labeled on the list as Epipremnum marble planet, but it is actually also known as the Monstera sp. peru, and really cool plant. I honestly thought this was going to be some sort of similar thing to Marble Queen when I saw it on the list, but I'm glad that I googled it and checked what it was and discovered that it has multiple names, because this was on my wish list and I'm super excited to get this here. The last and final plant that I got today was the Philodendron Pink Princess, a nice big hanging basket with some really cool variegated leaves. I think on camera it can't really pick up the shade of pink that this plant has. It kind of has like this really bright milkshake, kind of like a Nesquik milkshake kind of color. Really, really stunning. It's slowly going to grow onto me, and I think I'm going to be loving this plant a lot. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun unboxing as much as I did. I mean, there was nothing better than coming home from a long day at work to a box full of plants. I mean, really, really makes your entire week a much better one. And yeah, so until next time, cheers guys.